Hey YouTube, my name is Hernandez and today I'm gonna be doing a quick review of the microphone Rode Wireless Go. So let's roll the intro. Alright guys, so let me introduce you to these bad boys right here, the Rode Wireless Mic. If you're barely starting to create video, or even though you've been doing it for a long time, it's crucial for you to understand that audio quality is one of the most important things that we should be taking care of. Alright, so a good audio can make the difference between a good, bad, or horrible video. Imagine that you have the best visuals, imagine that your lighting is perfect, the angles are perfect, the visual is good, but then when it comes to the audio sucks. You might even try to fix them in post-production, but you know, if you didn't record the audio good, it will be hard to fix it in post-production. And here's the thing guys, it doesn't matter that your visuals are great, if the audio is bad, people are gonna criticize the video as a bad video just because of the audio. They are not gonna pay attention to the visuals because they already been annoyed by the bad audio. So I always say guys, after you get the camera, the next thing that you should be getting is a microphone, either a boom microphone or a wireless microphone, but you should be getting a microphone right after you get the camera because audio is so important. And I know guys, trust me, I know some of the microphones can be so pricey that if you're starting or your budget is low, it might be hard to get those microphones, right? So when companies like Rode comes out with these type of products, I cannot help it but to get super excited. And I'm not gonna lie guys, I was a little skeptical first, but after 2 months of testing this product, I cannot express enough how happy I am with these microphones. Alright guys, so moving on, what comes in the box? It comes with a transmitter and a receiver. Also, it comes with a SE2 right angle 3.5 cable. Includes 2 cables USB Type-C to USB Type-A for simultaneous charging. Includes 2 fur windshields to minimize noise from wind and close. Also, it comes with a small bag that you can use to put the microphones in. Let's talk about the size guys. Both of them, receiver and transmitter, are 1.7 inches. That is very small in comparison to other microphones, you know. And the coolest thing is behind them they have a clip that you can just clip it inside of the shirt. Actually, I am wearing one right now, and to be honest, I don't think it looks bad at all. And also, it's good to mention, this clipper fits perfectly in the hot shoe and the top of your camera. If you don't have a rig, you don't have to worry about because you can just put it on top of your camera and that will do the job. Also, another cool thing, the transmitter has a built-in microphone. Yes, a built-in microphone. That's why I put it in here, because I do not need a cable, I don't need a lavalier to run the cable through me. You know, sometimes that can be annoying to some of your clients, you know, or just trying to run the cable is just uncomfortable sometimes. So what if you just clip it in the shirt and you just don't worry about it anymore? If you still want to run a cable through your subject, well, next to the built-in microphone, there is an input for the lavalier mic. So you can just connect the lav there, put it on the belt and run the cable. At the bottom you will find the on and off button, which also is used to pair the transmitter with the receiver. In the receiver you're gonna find a display screen. In this screen you're gonna find 4 things: volume levels, battery life for both of them, the receiver and transmitter. Also you're gonna find a link status and a dB scale, aka volume. The dB scale goes from low, medium and high, and you can arrange the dB scale depending on the volume of your subject. At the bottom of the receiver you will find the on and off button. The difference between the transmitter and the receiver is that in the receiver you will find the link button at the top next to the dB scale. Next to the USB charging jack, there's also an output using the 3.5mm nut locking to connect with your camera or any other audio device. Guys, I cannot express how convenient this microphone is. It's small, it's very easy to use, and the quality of the audio is top of the line. Also, the price is incredibly low. To be honest, at first I thought this product would be more pricey, but when I found out the price, I was surprised. You know, I think Rode is gonna be killing the mic game for a while with this product. There's only one word that I can use to describe this product: amazing. Alright YouTube, we have reached the end of this video, not without telling you that I'm gonna be leaving an affiliate link down below. Go check them out. Tell me what you think about the product. If you like it, comment down below. If you don't like it, still comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, I just released my new preset, Explorer 1. Link also down below. Go check them out and also tell me what you think. Okay guys, so you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and see you guys next time.